Ken here at Ken Sherry Blessed Farm. We're here in Northeast Texas, and light little snow we got today. Come with me as I go feed the animals. We must have had some strong wind last night. I hear the chicks over here. They sound warm. My winter pullets doing well. Don't put your feed and your water inside today, guys. You stay in here if you want to stay warm. You three want to stay out? Oh, 4 of you. Well, maybe y'all do. Morning, y'all. What y'all doing? Trying to stay warm? Whole bunch of fresh hay. Y'all stay warm, stay hydrated. Got lots of water out there. Here's my upper garden. See if we can see the garlic shoots here. There they are. A lot of snow in the driveway, but not much down the driveway to the road. And there's Old Glory, lying proud every day at my place. So there you go, guys. There's the early morning, mid-January in Northeast Texas, with a nice snow behind me and snow around us, a little nippy weather. Hey, I appreciate y'all being here. Hope you enjoyed the look around the animals real quick. You can see us here, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, make sure you subscribe down below and see what we got coming up here with our seed swap. Seed swap's coming up here in the last week of February. And then we're going to start talking about spring, start talking about planting. Hey man, we love y'all. Y'all live well. And of course and always, God bless y'all. See y'all real soon. Whew.